Hi everyone, and welcome to Learn All About Property. Now, what is Learn All About Property? Well, this is going to be a property training and investment platform whereby myself, Roy, Lindsay, Debbie and Perry have created something awesome to be able to teach you how to invest in property profitably and properly.
So with there being four of us, we've all got very different backgrounds, so you'll have lots of things that you can learn from each of us. And we've actually created an online platform so that you can click on the courses and learn them at your own pace. And I think what it is that we do differently as well is we also offer mentorship and accountability and all that jazz, but we offer on-the-ground refurb training too, because it's all well and good learning on how to do stuff in a classroom, but then a lot of people then go on site or buy a property and that's when the panic sets in because they have no idea what they're doing. So with our combined experience, we actually take you onto sites and have on-site training days where you actually learn on the ground to stop yourself making any costly mistakes. So we've got this YouTube channel where we'll be pushing out videos and content and updates, and you'll get to see our properties and all the transformations. We've also got a free Facebook group, and also on Instagram we learn all about property where you can keep in touch with us there as well, and you can see some updates and some pictures and whatever the hell else people do on Instagram. Yeah, you could tell I'm not the tech one out of the team. But yeah, between the three of them, there'll be lots of content, lots of way to engage. So please join us on other platforms too, and join our Facebook community, because that's where you'll get a chance to answer any questions and where the community really grows too.
And of course, I'm not going to reveal our ages, but between us, we've got over 60 years of experience in property. And one of the benefits that you're going to benefit from is that you'll be able to copy exactly what we do and how we do it, how we've done it, so that you don't make the mistakes that most people make when they invest in property. So
us included.
Yeah, us included. We all make mistakes, but we're here to teach you how not to make them so you can make a lot of money.
And keeping it real as well.
And fun. Yeah.
It's all well and good like, oh yeah, this is amazing, but shit does go wrong, and it's knowing how to deal with this, how to overcome this, and having the right contingencies and things in place to help minimize things. So we are going to share with you the good, the bad and the ugly, so we can all learn and grow together.
Absolutely. Can't wait to get started.
So guys, we hope that you enjoy the rest of the videos that are coming your way super soon, and any questions, please get in touch.
Yeah, so don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, because together we're going to make 2022 a fabulous year to invest and make money.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
See you soon.
Bye.